Aldi's, getting ready to do some shopping. Let's see what they got in here that's keto friendly. All right, I love this Olive Garden dressing. Let's see, look at the carbs on that. Yeah, we're gonna get this first serving. The serving size is 2 tablespoons, perfect. Some of that. Also need rosemary leaves. I'm gonna get some of this. All right, I think I'm gonna try this out. This is avocado ranch cashew and almond dip. It has a total of 4 net carbs, 1 coming from dietary fiber, 1 from sugar. So let's try this out. Their cheeses here are much more reasonably priced, so I'm gonna get them here as opposed to back home at Kroger. So I'm gonna get me a Sharp. And also I get these burgers, these patties that are already ready. This will be so convenient. Hey guys, I am back from my Aldi's haul, and these are the items that I purchased. I got me some multi-purpose cleaner and wipes because, you know, we need them nowadays, and so I have loads of this stuff. So just add it to the pile I already have. I got this avocado ranch with cashew and almonds. It's a dip, so I want to give this a try with some of my keto-friendly chips. Also got this edamame spaghetti and this black soybean spaghetti. Now this does have some carbs in it, but for instance this one, 19 grams of carbs, but 11 of those come from dietary fiber. So as long as I watch my carbs on the day that I'm eating these, then I should be okay, and it should keep me in ketosis. And the same for this one. I think this one, yeah, this one has 1 more. This one is 20 grams of carbs. 13 of those come from our dietary fiber. So I'm just gonna have to watch my carbs for that day. But I got the edamame and the black soybean Olive Garden Italian dressing, which I love. I got these cheeses too, guys. These blocks of cheeses, they were only like $1.50 each, which I thought was pretty good. Mozzarella, pepper jack, Colby, and of course, what I always have in my pantry, the Sharp cheddar. I got the Colby Jack cheddar cubes for my daughter. She just likes to munch on those. My husband as well. And the frozen chicken breasts. These are great when you need something really quick to put together for your family. These are excellent. In one of the dishes that I made, the air fryer shrimp and sausage, I used this pecan smoked sausage. You all, this is so unbelievably delicious. If you have not tried this pecan smoked sausage from Aldi's, get some of this. It is so good. Probably by far the best smoked sausage I have ever had. I got 2 of those. I'm gonna put 1 in the freezer in the garage, and then keep 1 here in the house. We've also got these beef burger patties, another quick and easy something if I want to get me a low carb burger bowl or something like that, or make my family a quick meal. These are they come in handy. They're extremely convenient. Also got this bag of frozen shrimp, another very useful, very convenient dish. So many convenient dishes I can put together with that. You know, I use garlic in everything, and so they have this freshly peeled garlic that's already peeled. I love the idea of that, so I got me a bag of those. I'm almost out of oregano seasoning, so their seasonings were 99 cents. I've never used all these seasonings before, so I'm gonna give this one a try. I got the oregano and the rosemary, so we're gonna give those a try and see how good they are. All right, and so that is what I got. This is my Aldi's haul, guys. We don't have one here in the city that I live in, but whenever I go visit my daughter, I make sure I go to the Aldi's there and get some of the things that I need. So I'm excited to try some of these items and use some of these items I've already used again. All right, I'm gonna give these a try. Have you guys had these? Let's see how they taste. Well, for one, they are very deceitful. These cookies do not look like the cookies on the box. That's cookies on the box. The cookies in the package. They don't look the same. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. It's okay. Nothing to write home about. They're just okay.
Oh my god. It tastes like I'm eating
Actually,
a SOS pad.
What? It tastes like you're eating an SOS pad. She's exaggerating. It's not bad. It's not.
It don't taste like a cookie. It's like a sponge.
What taste, Mom? They're okay. They're just okay. Hey, good morning, everybody. So this morning I am going to be trying the Chompy's bagels for the first time. And I learned about these from my good friend over at Married to Keto. You guys go check out her channel. She does a lot of really, really great videos where she's testing items and then she lets you know how they affect your ketone level. So go check her out, Married to Keto. But anyway, she raved about how delicious these are. And so I wanted to give them a try. I ordered some and I'm gonna try them today for the first time. I am really excited. So I'm just gonna cut it in half here. And the thing is, you have to keep these in the freezer. So like the middle of this is really hard. I took it out to let it thaw out a little bit. I guess I could have let it thaw out a little bit longer, but I'm too excited. So it's still a little bit frozen in the middle. All right, it looks really, really good. Look at that. It smells really, really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my toaster oven. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in my toaster oven and I'm gonna let these toast. And then I'm gonna have these with some bacon and coffee. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream cheese and some sugar-free strawberry jam that I've got. All right, guys, so I've got my Chompy's bagel. Again, the Chompy's. And I've toasted mine and I added cream cheese to it and this sugar-free strawberry jam, okay, that I also got on the nutrition website. So, all right, here we go. It looks delicious and it smells really, really, really good. My goodness. This is amazing. The bagel is really good. The bread is really chewy and kind of springy like a bagel is supposed to be. All right, so this is something that I will be trying again. I will definitely be buying this again. All right, we've got a winner. And guys, these are so filling. Okay, I had only put cream cheese and strawberry on one half because I didn't know if I'd like it. So I went on and put some after it was amazing. I put some on the other half, so and I can't even finish the other half. You know, can't finish the whole thing. I'm full. But you guys have got to try these. It doesn't taste like anything is missing from them. They taste so, I cannot wait for you all to try them. Let me know what you think. Yeah, these are good. We're at the Big Dam Bridge here in the great state of Arkansas. You guys see my view when I'm doing my morning walks. I do a minimum of 3 miles. If I can get more than that in, I will. But I've made my minimum 3 miles each day. So this is what I get to look at. Looking out over the beautiful waters. Looking out over the Arkansas River. It's so pretty. It makes these morning walks that much more enjoyable.